Now our CEO and Managing Director, Mr. A.S. Kumar, will address the gathering.
Happy morning! Happy morning! Love you so much. Thank you. These papers, I've never tried to speak like this with papers. My speeches are born out of my heart. To stand here at the today, 30 years before I'd have started Divya Swarupa, but that even today I can feel that just about 2 years or 3 years before I started this whole experience. I'm just going to run through, for the benefit of a lot of new people who are here, how the journey began. One Mr. P.S. Kumar, Brahmayan Company Chartered Accountant, in a casual interaction, made the seed in my mind, I can be a share broker. In a casual interaction, he thought I am born for shares. Somehow I started believing that I'm born for that. Numbers came naturally to me. Thanks to my mother, memory was there to remember everything. Very early in life, you should get a guru to take you to the next step. Luckily, Bhagavan Satya Sai Baba came in my life. Life became totally a different journey. Divya Swarupa name was given by Satya Sai Baba. Form of universe. I still remember the day when myself and my father went to Krishna's, who give that logo and all that. I had a capital of 20,000 rupees. And I put 90,000 in my name and I put 1,000 in my friend's name as a share capital. And spent 4,000 for the logo to Krishna. I still don't know why out of 25% or so I have to spend on a logo. I had the capital. But one thing I want to tell you here, I can still vividly remember my father taking me to Shinkota. In a towel, we brought 5 lakhs in cash. It's 30 years, so I can talk it out. That was my loan capital to start my company. The year of my marriage and my company being born was same. I want to pay gratitude to people who were with me from the starts. Before even the college friend Ram Prasad joined me, there was one friend who stood by me, even stand by me now, is Radhakishan. I want to use this occasion to Ram Prasad came in my life. We had wonderful experience till today. We may have a different path, but life has been very beautiful. We have never lost the friendship. The third important person who came in my life, who acted as a courier person, postman, to deliver from Shinkota one cover, came by a person, and that person became employee in Syndicate Bank, became my co-partner, co-directors and all that. One of the important person in my life, Sankarshan, who has traveled all the way from life at every stage has proved me if you can be with the purest heart possible, with the right guide and guru. You can be taken anywhere. You will be shown miracles. So Divya Sarupa, with a capital of 20 lakhs, started in 1991, 15th April. I remember still the first two orders which I have written down in my notebook, 25 Rajalakshmi Mills and 40 DCW, odd lot shares. These were the shares. So till now I remember every of my, today I can talk about 3,000 clients, all that. But somewhere I can tell you, I enjoyed the travel journey. I'm not even bothered about the destination, what I have reached, but I'm enjoying the journey. There is a childlike enthusiasm in every of my activity. The other person who made an impact and continue to impact me in life, the guru I'm going to talk about. In 2014, I was contented in my business. The contentment was changed into ambition, ambitious to grow most and more in life. My beloved Mahathirya Ra, who made this company from this level to this level. So all those people who traveled with me, I just wanted to acknowledge before I start. Very important couple the lady is a teacher to me. I was under her as a student on parenting. Somewhere in my speech with Satya Sai, in my listening to Satya Sai Baba, he said, if you are a good father and mother to the children will pay rent later on. That's why you'll call parent. And that thought given by Satya Sai Baba on a day, the next day I saw a lady by name Sudha Vardhan. She changed my life in every aspect of life. When I have to look up to somebody, I don't have to go anywhere. There are a lot of people to look up to. Sudha Vardhan is beyond comparisons. You should spend time to understand who is Sudha Vardhan. Sudha Vardhan and Vardhan have been a wonderful combination. Sudha and myself are a beautiful combination in this journey. Our accounting practices was changed and taken to a next level by my friend, chartered accountant, Vimala Ramesh. Like this, I can go on talking about, just go and memory. This Divya Sarupa is not, first initially they talked about A.S. Kumar. But for so many people support, so many people guidance, so many people carrying me through in difficult times. All those you are seeing the new entrance in my company are seeing the other version of Kumar. I have gone through all the troubles. Without challenges, you can never grow in life. So that's a philosophy. So I have enjoyed this journey and enjoying this journey. That's why every day look up to what is that next I can look up to. I can still remember how Nanda Kumar came to my hall and wanted to join my company and what Rajan brought him. I can remember each one of who are now traveling with me. They all made a difference. All the people here have made a difference. You can see all the logos, slogans, mission statement. Everything is born out of experience. Not that I started with these mission statements, all that. Over the journey, enjoyed. When I decided, there is few things I took policy decisions. One of the policy decisions is privilege to serve. That is, my clients will be served. They will be treated as my brothers and sisters. I will not do anything for money. Money will be the byproduct. Second, my employees should feel my office as a second home. And all those who are saying second home, that has come the starting of my thought process. Third, none of my person who's associated with me, vendor, will get payment delayed by even 1 day. Whatever I promise, it has to be happen. And all three, I'm living 30 years. This is making me very feel proud about it. And for that, so many people, இங்க இருக்கிற தவிர நிறைய பேர் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க டு கெட் தட் லெவல் ஆஃப் கன்சிஸ்டன்சி பிரின்சிபல்ஸ் ஃபாலோயிங் தட் இட்ஸ் நாட் அ ஜோக் ஸோ இட்ஸ் கெனாட் பி டன் பை ஒன் பர்சன் தென் தி லேட்டஸ்ட் என்ட்ரன் அதிலிருந்து somebody would have made an impact in my life. They would have influenced my career in my life. This journey is just the beginning. You will say, I want this 30 years to be written in 3 pages, whereas the next 30 years or 20 years or a 10 year or a 5 year should be written lot more. Because this is idhan weather. Idukappuram it has to give huge impact to the society. Today we talk about adopting 100, this children. I can tell you what I have learned from my father and mother. Recently, I can tell you, share an instant. My father came to my office on his birthday. First வார்த்தை, எவ்வளவு பேருக்கு நீ படிப்புக்கு ஸ்பான்சர் பண்ற அதை சொல்லு. உன் பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட் தான் எனக்கு தேவையில்லை, நீ என்ன சொத்து வாங்கினு எனக்கு தேவையில்லை, எவ்வளவு பேரோட படிப்பை ஸ்பான்சர் பண்ற. What a thought he gave me at that minute. I need to show gratitude to for whatever people has done, all the principles we have guided, we have done, whatever created, so-called principles, all that, எல்லாத்துக்கும் result வேணும்னா it has to give back to society. It's time we are looking at on a continuous basis. We are looking at everything. How we can give back to society? How can we make a difference? How can we empower 111 entrepreneurs in the next few years? How can we train more people? And கொஞ்சம் நான் ரிலாக்ஸ் ஆயிட்டேன்னா, கொஞ்சம் இதே இடத்துல ரிலாக்ஸ் ஆனால் there are 2 people. ஒரு எண்ட் வீட்டில் இருந்து பூர்ணி will make me run faster. Second, Keertana. From US, she will make me dream bigger. They won't allow me to even 1 minute relax, settle down. They say, you have potential, done. And I know they are doing for me. If they use me, I can deliver goods to better to the society. So, how come in an office space we have a spiritual gym where 50-55 people can daily meditate and all that? How can that happen? But for divine grace, but for faith on whatever you think this is right for the people. How can for 8 years continuously Monday after 2014 December 1st இருந்து இது வரையும் ஒரு மண்டே விடாம we have 8 to 9 something called rise and shine, where like a Japan culture, we get up, we are in office at 8 o'clock, and this culture will speak for our culture. What we create in the organization is going to be the future. Somebody will keep following it up. It's 8 to 9 people assemble and meditate and get themselves regenerated and all that. Not even single, even the flood day Monday was attended like that. That is a faith in the process what we are working on. Sudha was about to leave on March 11th. I did not stop for a minute also. My heart was beating. How come she can leave? How come she leave? Something conspired somewhere. And she was not allowed to go on March 11th. Energy will work. And she's here today with me. How can this function happen without Sudha and Vardhan? She has decided March 11th to go. And when she says, I will never block any energy. But mentally there was a desire, this event, which all took charge of it and took this to a next level. Amount of work done by all the people here to make this event all makes me very humble. There is so much I have to deliver to people. So much I have to give people. Each one of them who comes now joins this company, associates in whatever capacity, as consultant, as employee, as articles, as interns, as trainees, whatever name. I want them to experience something, and which is what my aim is, to give them such an experience that they can relive this ever after, ever after. I'm still looking forward, like குழந்தை தரமா இன்னும் என்ன பண்ணணும் யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். I'll look forward guidance from every one of you. I am ready to take advice from every one of you, suggestions from every one of you. Because தனியா ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியாது, கிரிக்க முடியாது ஒண்ணும். Somebody has to guide you. Somebody, even today, every Saturday, if I'm sitting from 3 to 5 to learn business from my Mahatraya, should show that there is something like an enthusiasm to learn, enthusiasm to grow, enthusiasm to give back to society. Love is so much. I'll keep coming, but just hold on. The energy will make it beyond imagination successful. Because the faith and the energy will make it successful. Love you so much. Thank you.